Hey guys, we check the weather for today. It's May 7. We have a flood warning and a tornado here in New Orleans. Scary, the wind. It's turning around. Oh my god. Oh wow, it's moving the chair. Hopefully it will not flood. You need to move the chair over there. Can you give me a slipper, please? Because it's moving the chair. There on my shoe cabinet. The other one? That one? Yeah. It's no school today, right? Oh my god, it's like we've been raining for 2 days now, but today is severe weather. Tornado warning. That's the problem here in the US, guys. In New Orleans or in Louisiana, we get more flood and tornadoes. It's supposed to be summer time, but opposite, it will become rain early. We need to move the chair before it will go down to the front yard, to the neighbor. Ooh, it's cold. Oh. Oh my god, the gate is open. The gate is open. It's okay, we're gonna fix it later when the storm will down. Mama will go out? Huh? Oh, she have.
Oh, she
closed it. Yeah. May! Be careful! Be careful! Oh my god. Oh, come on, get inside. Yes, really. This auntie is nervous. Ah, Lord have mercy. Okay guys, that's it.